Uh, Hello guys, as you know, the channel for you, DKTV Concept, is here again with a brand product, Pick Your Gut. So I'm here with Tosen, as you can see her. Tosin, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
So
thank
what
you.
what are you up to today?
Okay, as you can see me, my name is Tosin Elizabeth Joy. I'm presenting Friesland Campina Wanko, and I'm on the shelf right now. Firstly, I would like to introduce this place. This is City and Sun, opposite Amadu Bello Way, 10th story. So we're talking about these are UHT, full cream, and we have the low fat, and we also have the yogurt. Um, we have the plain and the strawberry. So I would like to talk something about the full cream briefly. So the full cream, most white people use the full cream to make their soup. They use it to drink. You can chill. It doesn't have sugar, so it's a full cream in it. So then we have the low fat for people that don't want to be obese, so you can go for the low fat. It helps your body, and it has nutrition value in it, so and it's very good if you for health wise. Then we have the yogurt, the strawberry, and the strawberry. It looks once you're taking a strawberry, your cup will look it will look colorful, and it's very nice, and it's nutrition. As in people that have ulcer, you can take this yogurt. It will help you because it doesn't have this something that will harm you. So you just have to take the strawberry and the plain. So the yogurt is very good, and it has many vitamins in it. So it has energy and it has protein, something that can help your brain, something that can help your body. So I advise you viewers, try and take this yogurt and you will like it. And I advise you to take our UHT. It's very nice, and if you take it, I know you're going to come back for it. So and you can locate this place, CD and Son. um just get what you want to take. They are you can get a lot of things in CD and Son. So thank you for watching. Love you guys.